name is Martin Kleinebrecht, and I'm working at Jones Manville Engineered Products as the Global Marketing Communications Leader. I joined the company back in 2010, but I'm still fascinated about the many applications we serve with our nonwoven products. From filtration to geotextiles, to insulation, to vinyl flooring, to carpet, to battery separators, and much more. At Jones Manville, we produce durable nonwovens. So our nonwovens, mainly polyester, spunbond and glass fiber nonwovens, remain in service for a long time, sometimes even for decades. What you can see behind me is our polyester spunbond facility in Bobingen, Germany, where we mainly produce nonwoven carriers for bituminous roofing membranes. They are shipped as raw goods to our customers across Europe. Our roofing carriers provide strength, flexibility and durability. And what we also do in Bobingen, we are using a significant amount of recycled post-consumer polyester. So our nonwovens are not only durable, but they help also in finding a second life for millions and millions of used drinking water bottles.